Today's video is about an F03 E01 error and how to prevent it from coming back over and over again. If you're watching this video, you've probably seen my other video on how to fix that error. You can see that right up in the corner, right up here, or right up in the corner, right up here. I'm not sure. I want to talk today about how to prevent that error from continuing to come back on your washer. But first, let's do a quick review of how I fix that error. So the first thing you have to do to fix the error is unplug the washer from the back. I also turn off the water. I don't know if that's even necessary, but I do turn it off. Then I take off the top. So the top is taken off right back here. There's 3 screws. One's here, one is there, and one over there. And then the whole top will come off, and that looks like this. Okay, once I take off the top, then I have to take off this front panel. And there's a couple screws. So there's a screw right there, and there's a screw on the other side. And then there's also a couple hex screws right here on the washer, or on the detergent spot. And then I come down to the bottom and I undo these screws, and basically I just pry this open a little bit, and then there's the filter. Definitely not a great place. Whirlpool did not make this easy. I've seen other washers, as I've done research on how to do this. There's others that make it very simple. Hopefully Whirlpool can watch this video and learn that, man, it'd be a lot easier if there's an easier way to clean the filter. It is recommended that you take out stuff out of your drawer, because water will go. It's not easy to catch the water, so hopefully you just move stuff around, because the water is going to come both here and then in the back a little bit. So that's what that is. But the purpose of this video today is to talk about how to prevent this error from continuing to come back. And unfortunately for everyone watching this, it's not rocket science. The prevention method is you empty your pockets. So you can see here, there's a face mask, and there's a hairpin, and there's a hair tie, and this is actually pretty. This isn't too bad. Ugh, gross. This isn't as bad as it's been in the past. I mean, I'm gonna wash this out, but it's been much worse. So, I can turn on the water here. So now you can see that's pretty clean. But that's the problem right there. So the solution to the problem of avoiding this error code coming back and back and back again is to clean out your pockets. If you like this video, please subscribe down below. Give us a thumbs up, comment, let us know how it worked for you. And here's to a functioning washing machine. For a more thorough step-by-step of how to take off everything and get to the filter, you can see that right up in the corner, right up here.